Hello, wonderful learners. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology and productivity. Today, we're diving into the topic of automating tasks with prompt-driven workflows. Get ready to boost your efficiency and streamline your daily routines. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, and your entire routine flows smoothly like clockwork. That's the magic of automation. We're talking about using technology to handle repetitive tasks, so you can focus on what truly matters. Imagine having a personal assistant right at your fingertips, guiding you through your day. For instance, when you wake up, prompts can remind you to brush your teeth, pack your bag, and catch the bus. Let's explore how prompt-driven workflows can transform the way we work and live. So, what exactly are prompt-driven workflows? Think of them as clear instructions or cues that guide technology to perform tasks systematically. It's like having a conversation with a smart assistant that understands your needs. For example, when you're writing an essay, prompts can help you brainstorm ideas, organize paragraphs, and even check for grammar errors. These workflows make complex tasks manageable and enjoyable, like having a personal guide every step of the way. Automation is the secret sauce to boosting productivity. By letting technology handle repetitive tasks, we reduce human error and speed up processes. With prompt-driven workflows, efficiency reaches new heights. Imagine having a virtual teammate who anticipates your next move and assists accordingly. For instance, in customer service, prompt-driven workflows can guide agents through common inquiries, leading to faster resolution times. Embrace automation to unlock untapped potential and accomplish more in less time. One size doesn't fit all, right? That's where customization comes in. Prompt-driven workflows can be tailored to fit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're managing tasks, organizing schedules, or generating ideas, customization is key. For example, a student can set prompts to remind them of upcoming assignments, study sessions, and deadlines. Explore the power of customization and tailor prompt-driven workflows to your unique requirements. Teamwork makes the dream work, especially with prompt-driven workflows. These workflows facilitate seamless collaboration among team members by providing clear directives. Picture this: teams synchronize efforts, delegate tasks, and track progress more effectively. For example, in project management, prompts can assign tasks, set deadlines, and provide updates on milestones. Harness the power of prompt-driven workflows to foster teamwork and achieve collective goals. Data is king in the world of prompt-driven workflows. By analyzing prompts and responses, users gain valuable insights for informed decision-making. With each interaction, systems like chatgpt learn and adapt to user preferences and behaviors. For example, a business can analyze customer feedback gathered through prompt-driven surveys to enhance products and services. Embrace data-driven decision-making to drive innovation and stay ahead of the curve. Let's talk about user experience. Prompt-driven workflows prioritize simplicity and reduce friction in interactions. Users feel more engaged and empowered as prompts guide them through tasks effortlessly. For instance, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa utilize prompt-driven workflows to deliver personalized experiences and meet user needs. Elevate user experience through seamless integration of prompt-driven workflows. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Prompt-driven workflows come with their own set of challenges and considerations. Over-reliance on automation may lead to dependency and complacency. Privacy and security concerns arise as systems collect and analyze user data. Balancing automation with human judgment is essential for optimal outcomes. For instance, in healthcare, prompt-driven systems must adhere to strict regulations to safeguard patient privacy. Navigate challenges thoughtfully to maximize the benefits of prompt-driven workflows. The future is bright for prompt-driven workflows. Integration with emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning will enhance capabilities. Seamless integration across platforms and devices will make prompt-driven workflows ubiquitous in daily life. Personalization and predictive analytics will elevate user experiences to new heights. For instance, self-driving cars rely on prompt-driven systems to navigate roads and ensure passenger safety. Stay ahead of the curve by embracing future trends and innovations. In conclusion, automating tasks with prompt-driven workflows revolutionizes the way we work and interact with technology. Efficiency, customization, collaboration, and data-driven decision-making are pillars of this transformative approach. Challenges and considerations underscore the importance of thoughtful implementation and continuous improvement. As we look to the future, the potential of prompt-driven workflows to shape our lives is limitless. Let's embark on this journey together and harness the power of automation to create a brighter, more efficient tomorrow. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of prompt-driven workflows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Remember, with automation, the possibilities are endless. Until next time, happy automating!